A short note on tragedy. Tragedy is a serious play or other type of fiction that represents the catastrophe of the heroic protagonist because of the reversal of fortune or tragic flaw like hamartia or hubris, and causes catharsis for the audience. In other words, tragedy, written in serious and dignified style, arouses pity and fear among the audience or readers as the admirable central character faces suffering or downfall from a high position or crushing defeat or even death due to twist of fate or weakness of character like error in judgment, overweening pride, arrogance, or self-confidence. In Greek tragedies, the unity of time, place, and action is strictly followed, and the central character is usually a person better than ourselves who faces catastrophe due to fortune. But Shakespearean or Elizabethan tragedies represents the downfall of a dignified person due to character flaw and do not follow the unity of time, place, and action strictly, as well as employed subplots and comic relief. Classical tragedies were written in verse about protagonists of high rank until 17th century. Modern tragedies are usually written in prose about ordinary people and their problems. The trilogy of Greek tragedies are Aeschylus's The Oresteia, Sophocles' Oedipus Rex, and Euripides' Trojan War trilogy. Roman dramatist Seneca influenced Elizabethan tragedians. The famous Elizabethan tragedies are Thomas Kyd's The Spanish Tragedy, William Shakespeare's Hamlet, Macbeth, and King Lear, and Christopher Marlowe's The Jew of Malta. Arthur Miller's Death of a Salesman, Eugene O'Neill's Desire Under the Elms are examples of modern tragedy. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe the channel.